back to the channel. I want to thank you for hitting that play button today. If this is your very first time stopping by, my name is Chuck, and I'm very honored that you stopped by today. Today, I am out with you. That's right, you guys. I'm out here in the Kansas City area, actually Shawnee, Oklahoma, or Shawnee, Kansas, I should say, because we have a Shawnee, Oklahoma. But we've got, and I have not counted, forgive me, but we've got a bunch of beautiful Corvettes. We've got guys from, we have some people from Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas. Just a great turnout of people that are here. I would probably say, you know, probably maybe 30, 40 Corvettes. Maybe 30 Corvettes, somewhere in there. Now, we've already had some people that have come and they've had to leave. They just wanted to stop by real quick and check out Fearless and say hi. And I want to thank you for stopping by here. It was an honor to meet you guys. Z06 right here letting us know he's here. But we're going to be actually having lunch here. And then we are going to be going on a cruise, and of course I'm going to be putting the cameras on the cars, and then we're going to get footage of your cars. So if you're here at this event today, again, I'm very honored that you stopped by today, and let's check out some of your cars. For putting all this together for me. I think you did a great job, Chris. He's a great place. He came out here. He lives like 40 minutes from here, and he drove out here and he drove this route, make sure we're not hitting potholes and everything else. So I want to thank him for doing that. Everybody who's out here this week, if you will take a picture of your car this weekend or when you get home and send it to me, and make sure you put in the comment KC Meetup if you would like for it. Some people don't want it to be in there, but if you do want it to be in one of the videos, the next couple of ones, and I'll try to do as many as I can in this one we're about to do.
If I send you a picture of my Mustang, will you put it right in the middle of all these Corvettes?
I put Mustangs on there.
Just
it doesn't matter.
I'm asking for a friend.
Yes. I will put.
I have. have.
I will put anything in my video as long as it's not a Prius. I don't put Priuses in my video. Kansas City, and of course we're starting to leave. We're actually leaving out through right now. Chris is going to lead us on a cruise, and so we're going to get some footage of your cars as you guys come through. Beautiful cars. I'm at the Z06s. We've got the Grand Sports. This is going to be a great time. So guys, I hope you enjoy this footage of your cars, everybody who made it out, and listen to the beautiful engines. Oh yeah, I've got a Corsa Extreme right there. Love it. So guys, we're going to jump in the cars, we'll get some footage, and we'll be back in a moment. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm here in Kansas City. Of course, I got to have a Kansas City hat because my good friend Chris, who organized the entire event today, again, I thanked him earlier. You guys saw that in that video. One cool thing, too, is he also has a channel here on YouTube. I'm going to have it linked. It's going to be the very first link at the very top. Go check him out. Of course, he's got... Now, you've had several Corvettes. You've had, tell us what you've had. Over 10 Corvettes. Yeah. His last previous two, he had a C7 Z06 that looked just like the Black Mamba. Now he's got a C4 ZR1, and then you also have a C6, don't you?
So 2008 Z06.
Z06. So he's always making content about Corvettes, different things like that, so make sure you check him out. Again, he's the one that helped put this event, and we're going to do it again next year.
Yep.
So if you're up here in the Kansas City area, or you came to this particular event, we're going to be doing it at the end of July again next year. So we finally made it back home. I'm gonna tell you what, there was so much rain. We hit a rainstorm that, I mean, well, let me show you a little bit of footage. This was me driving. Again, remember I have Cup 2 tires. I'm in a ZR1 and it is literally pouring down buckets. You can't even see. But the car did really well. You know, Cup 2s aren't the best tires, but if you get caught in the rain, just take your time and you'll be fine. So until I see you at the next one, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your day. Now, we're going to check out some of the amazing rides from the Kansas City Meetup.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know